We're now in Cura, and Cura is the actual software for the 3D model printing on my Creality V3 SD printer. We're going to go ahead and open the file that we created for the soap stamp, demo 2A. There it is. Go ahead and move that a little closer to the front of the print bed. That's too close. All right. And I'll bring that in a little bit so you can see it. Exactly what we want. And so for this, we want a high quality print because we want those edges to be really nice. We're going to do super quality, which prints thinner lines. The millimeters are thinner.